So, Komodo, after watching 40% of the training, these are the things that you have learned: sales funnel, components of sales funnels, influence, importance of influence and persuasion, the ad scripts, posting articles, the importance of having a plan. You need to plan your week ahead. Deal with the limiting beliefs. Now, considering the limiting beliefs, you said that this is something that you felt was really important for me. Now tell me, what limiting beliefs do you currently have?
You see, to start with, I was looking at my Facebook page, and I can see it is bare. There's very little or close to nothing of value on my
little
Facebook.
content. There's very little
there's
content.
Very little content there.
Okay.
Very little content. And another thing that, in the past, I used to shy away from social media. To me, it was like, this will be, it's a waste of time. People going on social media is a waste of time. And only to find that I'm losing, valuable skills, simple things like posting, posting a picture or posting an article on Facebook. These are the things that one will not know because of shying away from the social media, thinking that it is going to create sort of a zombie out of me. You understand? And then I also realized that after this, because now going back to online marketing, and I realized that, what, I have to, it pushes me back to the social media tool, because that is where you get traffic. That's where a lot of people spend most of their time. And then I checked, okay, now I really have to go into these things of social media. But there were these obstacles that, okay, you have to create the perfect, perfect page. You have to post the perfect content, So that perfectionism, actually, it's one of my limiting beliefs. Then I browsed through some of the contents other people were posting. Then I realized it is not about perfection, because you could see here and there that, okay, this person can improve by doing that and that, and yet they are posting. So then I realized this is what is actually holding me not to put posts up there on the Facebook, because of perfectionism. You need first to have a perfect website. You need to have a perfect, a value, all that. So this is stuff that I need to work on.
Okay. Any other limiting belief you personally have? Do you have any other limiting belief apart from this?
Another limiting belief, putting a video out there and having myself, saying something of value is what I need to work on as well.
Okay, video out there. So in this case, I'll say YouTube. Okay.
Yes.
Any other limiting belief?
I think these are the core limiting beliefs that.
Okay, cool.
Put
so I'm going to address some of the things by focusing on your first limiting belief. Okay, cool.